According to the Scalemates database, Dragon has released 68 Panzer IV kits as of March 2026. This includes one released by Shanghai Dragon and 9 Cyber Hobby releases. A number of those are re-releases with modifications ranging from minor to actual overhauls and improvements. The first Panzer IV kit by Dragon was an Ausführung J Late, released in 1994, product number 6022. It was a departure from the usual level at Dragon at the time, since it contained 3 sheets of PE, albeit of a thicker kind than what was used from the 2000s onwards. The PE in the 1994 kit was used for spare track holders and frame and holders for the side skirts. It also contained nylon mesh for cutting mesh side skirts into shape. Like almost all of the early models, the gun barrel was 2-piece and the single track links were on sprues. The next Panzer IV kit was an Imperial series, released in 1996, product number 9019. This was more standard fare in that it had only 4 pieces of PE for the spare track holders, single tracks on sprues, and 2-piece gun barrel. Even the earlier F version, product number 9044, released in 1997, also had a 2-piece gun barrel, even though the barrel was really short. A total of 5 Panzer IV kits were released by Dragon from 1994 to 1998. They all had 2-piece barrels and single tracks on sprues.